How to use Zelle to transfer money between accounts. Today we will talk about how you guys will be able to use Zelle to transfer money between accounts. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Zelle's website. Explain you guys easily. So first things first, Zelle is actually embedded in most of the bank accounts. So whenever you try to send money, there should be an option for Zelle in your bank app or in your banking transfer options because Zelle is automatically embedded in most of the banks. However, if it is not, you have to install the Zelle app. So for that, you just have to download the Zelle app and then enroll it using your mobile number or mobile banking app to the Zelle app. Now you just have to enter the preferred email address or phone number of the recipients. Totally depend upon the recipient where he wants to receive money. Could be his PayPal or could be different banking options. Totally depends upon the banks, whatever the information that you need to put. After that, just choose the amount and you'll be able to send the money easily on the Zelle app. However, let me repeat that again. The Zelle is automatically and embedded in the most of the banks, so you won't have to install the Zelle app. You can actually check if your bank does support Zelle. If it does not, just download the Zelle app and you'll be able to transfer from Zelle and to only Zelle. If you're transferring from Zelle app, you will only be able to transfer to the Zelle app. You won't be able to transfer directly in his bank account because it does not allow that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.